morning, students, and welcome to your English class. Today, we will learn about letter R. Letter R is the next letter after letter Q, and its sound is R as rat. Look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? In this picture, you can see a rhino. He is pushing the rock. A rabbit is sitting on the rock. And a rainbow is in the sky. Rhino, rainbow, rock, rabbit are friends of R. Do you know some more friends of R? Good job! Rooster, robot, rose, ring are some more friends of R. Children, in this lesson, you learned about a rabbit. Can a rabbit eat meat? Yes, a rabbit cannot eat meat. He likes fruits and vegetables. Children, have you seen a rhino at the zoo? Can you tell that how many horns does a rhino have? Well done. Rhino has 2 horns. One is big and one is small. Let's learn to write letter R. It's very easy. Can you see the red dot? Place your pencil on red dot and move it on other dots. It is very easy. Now, practice to write capital and small letter. For more updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel.